Perfect bread. The perfect bread. More perfect than the one I found in the store. Huh? Portal? Minecraft Shakoo Edition. Get out of my swamp, boy. You don't deserve to be here. This is my area. You never got here first. Get out of here, man. Swamp boy, I went caving and I come back to see you, faint little boy, at my cave. Get out of here, man. Ah! What is this place? It's really dark. Dang, I lost a heart. That's gonna suck. Slay. Slay. Hey, who are you? I think I know. Steve the Goat. Of course you know me. Oh, I just met you. No. Help me. No, sir. Oh, look, an opening. Bro, this tree is really bussin'. Back. No, sir. Yeet. Let's take a quick break to talk about the sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends. They are cool. Thank you for your time. Ah! Okay, back to normal. Let's go back to being a chicken nugget. I like that. Let's have a quick break. Thank you. Wow, I can't believe I just came with chicken nugget in the game. That's actually crazy. Do you like chicken nuggets? I love chicken nuggets. Stay pog, my friends. Back to the game. Stay with me. I got some stuff to tell you. Do you like onions? Onions are my favorite food. I eat onions every day, all night. Baby, come to me. I mean the onions, so don't be weirded out. Bye. Hello. Is me you're looking for? Bad boy Bob the chicken. Bread boy Bob. He is big, has a long neck, and he's thick. Bread boy Bob, doo doo doo. Bread boy Bob, doo doo doo. Bread boy Bob, doo 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 doo.